Creating geospatial apps with Esri ArcGIS APIS. Creating geospatial apps with Esri ArcGIS APIS. Geospatial apps, which enable users to map and analyze data using interactive, visual tools, have become increasingly important in a wide range of industries. The ability to visualize data on a map, see, and bring new insights to problem solving, and help decision makers identify patterns and trends that would be difficult to discern from raw data alone. Esri ArcGIS APIS, Application Programming Int. Interfaces are a powerful set of tools that enable developers to create custom geospatial apps and integrate them with other systems. In this article, we will provide an overview of the ArcGIS APIS and the opportunities they offer for creating geospatial apps. We will discuss the different APIS available, and the capabilities they provide. We will also provide some examples of how these APIS have been used to create innovative geospatial apps, and discuss some best practices for working with ArcGIS. ArcGIS APIS and the ArcGIS platform. Esri ArcGIS APIS are part of the larger ArcGIS platform, which provides a suite of software products and web services for creating, managing, and sharing geospatial data. The ArcGIS platform is GUI. LT upon Esri's proprietary GIS, Geographic Information System, technology, which provides a framework for capturing, managing, and analyzing geospatial data. The platform includes tools for data collection, data management, data analysis, and data visualization, all of which can be integrated into custom apps using ArcGIS APIS. There are several ArcGIS APIS, each designed for a specific use case. ArcGIS API for JavaScript. This API enables developers to create interactive, web-based maps and visualizations using JavaScript. It includes a range of tools for displaying and analyzing data incorporated. Loading heat maps, clustering, and time series animations. ArcGIS Runtime SDKs. The ArcGIS Runtime SDKs provide native libraries for developing mobile and desktop apps on a variety of platforms, including Android, iOS, Java, .NET, and Qt. Developers can use the SDKs to build offline capable apps that can access geospatial data stored on a user's device or on the web. ArcGIS API for Python. This API provides a way to automate geospatial workflows using Python. It enables developers to use Python scripts to perform tasks such as data analysis, data management, and data visualization. ArcGIS API for Silverlight. Although this API is no longer actively developed, it is still in use by some legacy apps. It provides a way to create Silverlight applications that display maps and geospatial data. Capabilities of ArcGIS APIS. The capabilities of the ArcGIS APIS are extensive, and enable developers to build a wide range of geospatial apps. Some of the key capabilities of the APIS include data visualization. ArcGIS APIS provide a range of tools for visualizing geospatial data on a map. Developers can display data using a variety of symbology options, such as color ramps, size variant, ions, and opacity changes. They can also display data as heat maps, choropleth maps, or point data. Spatial analysis. ArcGIS APIS provide a range of spatial analysis tools that enable developers to perform advanced geospatial analyses using their app. These tools include proximity analysis, Spatial statistics, and suitability analysis. Data editing. Many ArcGIS APIS provide the ability to edit geospatial data directly within an app. Developers can add, modify, and delete features and attributes, and can also validate data to ensue. It meets specific criteria. Geocoding and routing. ArcGIS APIS provide tools for geocoding, converting address information into geographic coordinates, and routing, finding the shortest or fastest path between two locations. These tools can be used to create apps that provide driving directions, locate nearby points of interest, or calculate travel times. Examples of geospatial apps built with ArcGIS APIS. The versatility of the ArcGIS APIS has led to the creation of many innovative geospatial apps across a range of industries. Here are a few examples. Wildfire Viewer. The Wildfire Viewer app was created using the ArcGIS API for JavaScript. It provides real-time information about wildfires across the United States, including their location, size, and current containment level. The app also includes a predictive model that estimates where a wildfire is likely to spread based on environmental factors. Operation Underground Railroad. The Operation Underground Railroad, our app was created using the ArcGIS API for JavaScript. It is a tool for tracking human trafficking and locating missing children. Users can report suspected cases of trafficking, and the app uses geospatial analysis to help investigators locate missing children and identify patterns of trafficking. Real Estate Appraisal Tool. This app was created using the ArcGIS API for Python. It enables real estate appraisers to automate their workflow by integrating data from a range of sources, including public records, tax assessments, and MLS listings. The app uses geospatial data to provide an accurate estimate of a property's value. Best practices for working with ArcGIS APIS. When working with ArcGIS APIS, there are a few best practices that developers can follow to ensure their apps are effective and efficient. Choose the right API for the job. Make sure you understand the requirements of your app and choose the API that best supports those requirements. For example, if you need to build a mobile app that works offline, the ArcGIS Runtime SDKs might be a better choice than the ArcGIS API for JavaScript. Use caching and data management strategies. Geospatial data can be large and complex, so it is important to manage it efficiently. ArcGIS APIS include tools for caching data locally on a user's dev ICE or on a server to reduce the amount of data transfer required. Follow best practices for user interface design. Geospatial apps can be complex, so it is important to design a user interface that is intuitive and easy to use. Consider using standard interface design patterns, such as scrollable panels, sliding menus, and zoomable maps. Esri's ArcGIS APIS are an essential tool for developers looking to build customized geospatial apps. One industry that has seen a significant impact from geospatial apps is disaster response and mitigation. The ability to map disaster areas, analyze data in real time, and provide predictive modeling is critical for disaster response teams. The Wildfire Viewer app is an excellent example of how ArcGIS APIS have been used to address disaster response needs. Another area where ArcGIS APIS have been used is in human trafficking. The AR app has been instrumental in tracking, locating, and identifying patterns of human trafficking. Geospatial analysis plays a significant role in the success of this app. The Real Estate Appraisal tool has been a game changer for real estate appraisers. Automation of the appraisal process using various sources of data, including geospatial data, has resulted in accurate estimates of a property's value. Geospatial apps have revolutionized the way data is analyzed and presented. The easy-to-use visual tools provide new insights into problems and help users identify patterns and trends that might be missed with plain data. However, creating these apps can be challenging and time-consuming. Using Esri's ArcGIS APIS, developers can create customized geospatial apps with built-in visualization, anal, assist, and data editing tools. The ArcGIS platform provides developers with a suite of software products and web services for creating, managing, and sharing geospatial data. Aside from selecting the right API and caching or data management strategies, interface design is also an important consideration when creating geospatial apps. A poorly designed interface can make even the most advanced app difficult to use, reducing its effectiveness. Best practices for user interface design should always be followed to ensure the app is intuitive and easy to navigate. The possibilities for the use of geospatial apps are vast, as demonstrated by the examples of the Wildfire Viewer, Operation Underground Railroad, and Real Estate Appraisal Tool. These apps show how